All right.
Oh!
Get that red pin.
Just one more again.
Mikayla, get that red pin.
Move your button over.
Move your button over.
See the red line?
There you go. Go ahead
Okay.
now. You can't let go of the blue button.
Now push A again.
Yep. Don't let go of the button.
Oh,
Oh.
man.
Oh, miss. Get your grandma.
Mikayla, what'd you get? Let me hear the music again. Oh, dance for me, dance for me. Can you do the peppermint twist? That's from Kiki. You say thank you, Kiki.
Thank you, Kiki.
What do you say? Say thank you, Kiki.
Thank you, Kiki.
Say Merry Christmas.
Look at that
Ooh, an M and a pen.
Lexi, look, what are those? You got packages right there. Right there.
And look it.
Right there.
You got
See
some
that right there?
reptile
Right there.
tattoos.
That means we'll miss both funerals.
Oh, this one.
What happened?
Who passed?
Marion's father's not making it past tonight, they said.
Oh, wow.
Peekaboo.
Oh, the dinosaur night before Christmas.
Whoa, Lexi.
Ooh, it has a CD with dinosaur Christmas music and a story. Read aloud.
Do it now,
What do you say to Kiki?
What do you say to Kiki?
Thank you.
Go ahead. Ooh.
Turn it over.
What is it?
Turn it over.
What is it?
Jeffrey.
A doctor.
A doctor. You want to put it on?
No.
You sure?
You can be a doctor.
Come here. Let me see.
Here's one for Lexi. I had it in my hand.
Open
Come
it
here.
up. Open it up, Lexi.
That says like
Turn it over. Turn it over. There you go.
that's from Alexis.
From who? From who?
Alexis.
From Kiki.
From Kiki.
I said for Alexis.
Oh.
You got
Frosty. Alexis.
Mikayla, come here. Look it.
Look it.
It's got.
Lexi,
It's
look
got a
what it
shot
is.
thing.
Lexi, look.
Frosty.
Oh,
Give Frosty,
is that
give Frosty kisses.
Is that a beautiful?
Can you give Frosty kisses?
It's got.
No? Okay. Say thank you, Kiki.